Very good morning, kids. I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. And kids, as you know that our syllabus is going to be finished, and after finishing the syllabus, I'm going to start the revision test, revision worksheets. Okay, because your exams will come in September month, so you all have to prepare yourself, and for that you all have to do the practice of given worksheets regularly. Okay, don't take the tension and don't get pressurized. You only have to perform the homework which I am giving you regularly. Okay, kids. So kids, this is our English class, and today we are going to perform the identification worksheet related to letter O, and we're going to do the practice of making letter O one more time. Along with that, we will revise the story. Okay, and yes, I have given you the date 31st August for story test, so be ready everyone. Okay, at least you have to tell me 2 paragraphs of the story along with the moral. Okay kids, so let's start the class with story. Okay, once upon a time there lived 4 cows in the forest. They are very good friends. Every day they used to graze together. One day a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, they fought with him, and lion has to ran away. Few days passed, cows started fighting with each other and grazed separately. The lion got the chance, one by one, killed all of them. And what is the moral of the story? Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Okay kids, so be ready for that. And those who tell me the story, they will get very good remarks during the remedial class. Okay kids, so what we are going to do today, we are going to perform the identification worksheet. Okay, this is how you all have to prepare the worksheet. I will show you more closely. Okay, in that what you have to do, you have to find out the pictures related to letter O, and also you have to find out the letter O and color them with your favorite colors. Okay kids, so let's perform the worksheet. So kids, this is our identification worksheet. I am holding the phone so you can watch it clearly. Okay, so just look at the worksheet carefully, then I will start. Okay, now I hope you all have seen this. Okay, so what we have to do in that, and I have also taken out my colors. I lost one color. Okay, it's okay. So what we have to do, we have to find the letter O, and also we have to find out the pictures related to letter O and color them. Okay, so first we will start with this line. Okay, in that so many letters are written there. We have to find out the letter O. So you can see here, this is letter O and this is also letter O, and I am going to color it with sky blue color. Letter O, this is also letter O. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to find out the picture which starts with letter O. This is an apple, A says A. This is a pencil, a pen, P says P. This is mug, M says Ma. So it doesn't start with letter O. This is start with O. O says O as an owl. So let's color the owl with brown color. Okay, try to do the colors properly so it won't out from the line. Okay, this is O. Now come to the next. Now I will take yellow color. Okay, again we have to find out the letter O. Is this O? No. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. So let's color letter O. Okay, very nice. It should look very colorful. Okay, Now I will take another color, green. Again I have to find out the letter O. This is A, this is O, this is also O. Okay, so these are the colors O. Now let's find out the pictures. Okay, I will take another color. Okay, so this is pot, net, nose, and this is an octopus. Yes, O for octopus. So let's color the octopus. You can do any color which you want. Okay, so octopus color is done. Now the last line, let's find out the letter O. Here is letter O. So let's color. So this is how I have find out all the letter O and the pictures related to letter O. Okay, so do perform this worksheet at home and enjoy everyone. Bye bye. So kids, we have performed the identification worksheet, okay, that you all have to perform. Now let's revise the pictures related to letter K, L, M, N, O with 4 pictures or 5 pictures. You can learn, you all have to learn 5 pictures, okay. K for kite, king, cattle, key and kangaroo. Okay, 5 pictures हो गए. Kettle, kite, king, key, kangaroo. Okay, K says k, 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 k. L, L says l as in lamb, lion, leaf and lock. Okay, and so many pictures I have told you in the video of identification of letter L. So let's revise. L for lamb, leaf, laptop, lock, light, lemon. So many pictures are there, so you can learn 5 pictures. Okay, M says m as in monkey, mango, moon, mug, milk. Monkey, mango, moon, mug, milk. Okay, and if you will tell me some different pictures, then you will definitely get गुड मार्क्स. ओके, अगर आप मुझे कोई डिफरेंट पिक्चर बताते हैं, इसके अलावा आप मुझे कुछ बताते हैं, सो यू विल गेट द एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स. ओके, नाउ एन, एन सेज न एज इन नोज, नेक, नेल्स, नेल कटर, नेस्ट, नट. ओके, नोज, नेक, नेल्स, नेल कटर, न्यूज़पेपर, नोटबुक, नैपकिन, so many pictures. Okay, and the last one is O. ठीक है, O for an owl, orange, onion, ostrich, octopus, oil, oval shape. Okay, O for owl, orange, onion, ostrich, octopus, oil, oval shape. Okay kids, so this is how you all have to learn the 5 pictures related to each letter. Okay, now we will do the practice of making letter O in a red notebook. Take out your pencil and eraser. Okay, so kids, let's do the practice of making letter O in our red notebook. Okay, so let's start. Go up, back, make a circle, go inside and loop. Up, come back, circle, inside and loop. Up, back, circle, inside, loop. Okay, up, back, circle, inside, loop. Up, back, circle, inside, loop. Okay, now let's revise the pictures related to letter O. O for an orange. O for an octopus. O for an ostrich. O for an owl. O for an oil. O for an orange. O for an octopus. O for an ostrich. O for an owl, and O for an octopus. Okay, so this is how you all have to do the practice of making letter O in your red notebook. Along with that, perform the identification worksheet. Okay kids, bye bye. We have done the practice of making letter O in our red notebook. This is your homework. You all have to perform the identification worksheet and do practice of making letter O in your red notebook. Okay, so for today's class up to this much only. We'll see you tomorrow with some another work. Do practice regularly and be ready for the story test. Okay, till then everyone, you all have to play for an hour. Enjoy at your home. Stay safe, stay healthy everyone. Bye bye.